Okay, now we're moving on to rockin' the blues. Now, the blues is a musical art form that started in America over 100 years ago. The Deep South, it's very soulful music. Everybody loves the blues. And the blues evolved first into jazz in the 1920s and beyond. And then after that, it turned into rock and roll, hip hop, and all contemporary forms of pop music are related to the blues in some way. That makes it really cool. Okay, let's break down rockin' the blues. To start, we've got some new notation that we haven't seen before. Those little X's indicate a cymbal part, in this case, a ride cymbal part. And the black notes on the bottom are the snare hits on 2 and 4. I'm going to play the snare hits as a cross stick because I think it sounds cool for this piece. And in rock, jazz, and blues, you're allowed to make your own decisions sometimes about how you want to play a certain part. So we've decided to play a cross stick. Now I'm going to play the first 4 bars of Rockin' the Blues, and I'm going to count out loud, and I want you to remember that the 8th notes on the cymbal keep going even when you're hitting the cross stick. So pay attention to that when I play these first 4 bars. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Now we play 8 bars of that, which I call time. Time is just shorthand for a rock beat or a jazz beat. It's just a steady rhythm on the drum set. And one of the secrets to counting repetitive measures like that is to count it like 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 2, 3, 4, 3, etc. So we're going to count 8 bars of that. And then on bar 9, I'm going to switch back to the snare head for those 8th notes, those stems up 8th notes. And then in bar 10, also on the head, stems up 8th and 16th notes. And then go back to time and then finish on the snare in the last bar. Now the last bar has something new in it that we haven't seen before, which looks like a little bird's eye. It's called a fermata, or a hold. And what happens when you get to that is the conductor gives the note, and then you hold it until he cuts it off. That's called a fermata, or a hold. So let's play bar 9 and 10, and then we'll go over the end. Here's bar 9 and 10. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 1. One more time. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. And then the last 2 bars, we're back into time. And then we have our downbeat quarter note on the drum, and then the snare drum roll fermata. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. Now, let's play the whole thing, and I will count the first 8 bars using our system to keep our place. And see how that works. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 2, 3, 4. 3, 2, 3, 4. 4, 2, 3, 4. 5, 2, 3, 4. 6, 2, 3, 7, 2, 3, 8, 2, 3, 4. 2. Okay, let's play it once without me counting. You'll be counting in your head, and we'll see if we come out right. 1, 2, 3, 4. Rockin' the blues. Have fun with it.